In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add automated follow-ups in Practice Better so you can save time and enhance your client interactions. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share an exclusive free trial link and reveal alternatives that might actually work better for your needs. First things first, let's dive right into Practice Better. If you're unfamiliar, Practice Better is a platform that streamlines scheduling, invoicing, and client management, and it's especially popular among health coaches, therapists, and other service-based professionals. But when it comes to automating follow-ups, there are a few steps you need to take to make this process seamless. The second thing you want to do is head over to the Automations section. You can find this in your main dashboard under Settings. Once you're there, click on Add New Automation. Now, Practice Better makes it pretty easy to set this up, but I'll be honest, it's a little hidden, and if you're new to the platform, you might have to dig a bit. Next thing, when setting up your follow-up, you'll need to select an action trigger. This could be after a session, an appointment reminder, or any other action that signals it's time to follow up. For example, you can set up a follow-up email to automatically be sent to clients 24 hours after a consultation. You'll find this option in the drop-down menu for triggers. But again, this is where I'd say Practice Better could improve. This interface could be a bit more intuitive for beginners. Now, the fourth thing you want to configure is your message. The platform allows you to send emails, SMS, or even push notifications. I recommend crafting a personalized follow-up message that's short, to the point, and offers value, whether it's a thank you note, a reminder for them to book another session, or a special offer. But while this sounds great, you might find that the customization options for emails are a little limited. It's not like some other platforms that let you fully design a visually appealing email with ease. Another important step is setting up conditional rules. For example, you might want to follow up with clients who didn't reschedule after the initial appointment. This part of Practice Better works well for making your follow-ups more tailored, but again, it can feel a bit restrictive compared to other tools on the market. Lastly, once you've set everything up, don't forget to test your automation. This will ensure that the follow-ups trigger as expected and that everything runs smoothly. While Practice Better's automations are decent, they can sometimes be finicky, especially if you're using more complex workflows. Now, here's where it gets interesting. While Practice Better does the job, I want to be upfront. There are some other options out there that are just as powerful and, in some cases, even better when it comes to automating follow-ups. Tools like Honeybook and 17 Hats offer more robust workflows, cleaner interfaces, and more options for follow-ups, like automated reminders, payment follow-ups, and custom workflows that actually feel intuitive. These alternatives also come with solid free trials, so it's worth checking them out. Before I go, I want to remind you that this video includes an exclusive link for a free trial to Practice Better, plus some additional perks that you won't find elsewhere. But if you're looking for something with a bit more flexibility and automation power, I've linked those alternatives down below as well, so you can compare and decide which works best for you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the links in the description for your exclusive trial access to the software mentioned, plus those fantastic alternatives.